You don't have to live in the tropics to enjoy tropical gardening. There are numerous types of tropical plants for the garden, many of which include hardy tropicals. By using the tropical gardening information in this section, you will find a number of tips for gardening with exotics. So whether you're interested in growing tropical plants in the home or hardy tropicals in the garden, you'll find just what you need here. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips for having a wonderful tropical garden. Before that, please like and subscribe to support my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, here are 5 tips for having a wonderful tropical garden. Number 1. Water and air humidity. Water is another very important factor for the health of tropical plants. The tropical forests are always very humid, and this makes the species used to humidity. Because of this, it is always interesting to observe the humidity of the air in the city where you live. In regions of the hot and dry climate, such as the southeast, for example, you may need to ensure greater humidity for your plants by spraying water on the leaves, in the case of small gardens. For large tropical gardens, the idea is to compose tall and short species, promoting the same integration that happens in the natural habitat of plants. Number 2. Use bamboo. Bamboo is a very tropical material, and we are seeing it in more home designs than ever before. It's an effective material because it is durable, which makes it a sustainable product. You can go the extra mile and build a bamboo fence. Or, you can get touches of bamboo in furniture. Bamboo items outside don't need to be explained. You get the tropical feel just from its presence. Number 3. Plant a tropical container garden. Setting tropical plants in an attractive container garden allows you to display them outdoors in the summer. When choosing plants for a mixed container display, be sure they all have the same watering and compost requirements. This will ensure that the whole display thrives. If your budget can only stretch to a couple of tropical plants, group them with hot-looking colorful native and Mediterranean plants to maintain the look. Pelargonium roses and agapanthus all work well. So grab an empty container and get scouting the garden center. You'll soon be enjoying a taste of the tropics in your own backyard. Number 4. Inject some color with bold florals. For color, go for a few bold hits from tender exotics like cannas dotted around in summer, peeping through the green background. Most exotic and tropical plants are pretty easy to care for, so will work for low-maintenance garden ideas. You'll need to water them while they establish and tidy them now and then, but they're certainly far less work than herbaceous borders or lawns. Number 5. Create a hypnotic water feature. One of the best things you can do to help wildlife is to build a small garden pond or water feature, providing drinking water for birds and small animals, and a breeding ground and habitat for insects and amphibians. Site it somewhere sunny or in partial shade, and aim for one that's at least 90 centimeters deep on the center for creates to shelter over the winter, with shallow sides to allow easy access for frogs and newts. Keep the water healthy with a mix of submerged oxygenator plants to encourage as much wildlife as possible. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. And see you in the next videos.